This is my painting way back 2010. College pa ako nito. So, restore natin. Good day, this is Sir Lance, the hobbyist artist, and this is my painting way back in college, year 2010. And I'm going to restore it. At may mga changes tayong gagawin dito sa painting na to. May mga iibahin tayo. So first, takpan muna natin dapat takpan using latex paint. So hindi na ako gumamit ng paint stripper, diretsong salpak na lang. So after natin matakpan ng latex paint, ang natira na lang ay yung Wing Gundam Zero Custom. Then, after matuyo, dito na ako nagsimula mag-sketch kung ano yung dapat ilagay ko dito. Okay? For restoration and of course, yung image tayo dito sa existing nating artworks. So here's my reference at pagpasensyahan nyo na kung maingay sa background. Pati tahol ng aso nakukuha. This artwork was inspired by Gundam Build Fighters, Gundam Build Fighters Try, Gundam Build Divers, Gundam Build Divers Nexus, and Gundam Breaker Mobile. So here's now the update on my artwork, work in progress. Ayan na po siya. At ito na siya, nakulayan ko na. And still, may konting improvement for the Wing Gundam Zero. Bali, gawin natin siyang Wing Gundam Snow White from Frozen Teardrops. Hindi ko na siya natapos during that day. So, tinuloy ko na siya the other day. So, ito ako ngayon. Nandito sa school at dito ko na tinatapos yung painting na to. So, binilisan ko yung time frame para mapakita ko sa inyo yung results. Alright, ito na siya. Di pa ito tapos. Still work in progress. May mga pinalinaw lang tayo na details. At still, maasim pa yung kulay. Konting ayos pa. So, tuloy natin. Finally, ito na yung finished product. Tapos na ang aking artwork, na-restore ko na, pati yung kulay. At gagamitan natin siya ngayon ng fixative. Ito yung ginagamit sa mga paintings para hindi mag-fade away yung kulay. 250 lang sa National Bookstore. So, ugahan na natin. Ang recommend ko is two coating para ganda yung result. Almost done. And now this is the finished product of my restored and modified artworks. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notifications bell so that you will be updated on my channel. Maraming salamat po and may God bless us all.